Hello friends, welcome to Neil's Coaching. In this video, we will discuss about ratio and proportion. Before starting this video, I want to request you to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the notification as soon as I upload any video. So let's start the video. So what is ratio? When we compare two quantity with same unit, then we use ratio. Let us consider A and B, two person, A and B, and weight of A equal to X kg and B equal to Y kg. So the ratio of weight of A and B equal to A is to B, X is to Y. Here a term which is called is to, and here we will say that the weight of A and B equal to so the ratio of weight of A and B equal to weight of A is to weight of B equal to X is to Y. X is to Y. Similarly, we can write the ratio of 4 and 5 equal to 4 and 5 equal to 4 is to 5. And this 4 is to 5 represent 4 by 5. If X is to Y is a ratio, then X is called antecedent and Y is called consequent. We can also simplify a ratio, like let us consider a ratio 32 is to 48. Here we can see that 32 and 48 both can be divided by 2. So we can write here again 8 is to 12, 4 is to 6, 2 is to 3. So 32 is to 48 equal to 2 is to 3. This is called simplification of a ratio. So 32 is to 48 equal to 2 is to 3. This is ratio. Now we will come to proportion. What is proportion? Proportion is the equality of two ratios called proportion. Let us consider two ratio A is to B and C is to D, and A is to B equal to C is to D. Then we can say that A, B, C, D are in proportion, and it can be written as A is to B double is to C is to D, and here A is to B equal to C is to D can be written as A is to B double is to C is to D. It can be written as A by B equal to C by D. So A into D equal to B into C. Now let us consider A is to B equal to C is to D. Here D is called the fourth proportional of A, B, C. Let us consider A is to B equal to B is to C. Here C is called C. C is called third proportional to AB. Now let us consider A and B two term, mean proportional between A and B equal to root over AB. So here we have discussed three types of proportionals. One is fourth proportional, one is third proportional, and another is mean proportional. Let us consider two ratio A is to B and C is to D. If A is to B is greater than C is to D, then we can say A by B greater than C by D. This is a relation. If A is to B, C is to D, and E is to F, three ratios, the compound ratio of these ratios is ACE is to BDF. This is called compound ratio of those ratios. Now we will learn about duplicate ratio. If A is to B is a ratio, then duplicate ratio of A is to B equal to A square is to B square. Next is subduplicate ratio. If A is to B is a ratio, then subduplicate ratio of A is to B equal to root A is to root B. Next is triplicate ratio. If A is to B is a ratio, then triplicate ratio of A is to B equal to A cube is to B cube. Then subtriplicate ratio. If A is to B is a ratio, then subtriplicate ratio of A is to B equal to A to the power 1 by 3 is to B to the power 1 by 3. Now a new relation comes, that is componendo and dividendo. Let us consider two ratio, A is to B and C is to D, and A is to B and C is to D are in proportion, that is A is to B double is to C is to D, which can be written as A by B equal to C by D. By using componendo and dividendo, we can write that A plus B by A minus B equal to C plus D by C minus D. Now we will come to variation. Here we will learn two terms, that is direct proportional and inverse proportional. Let us consider x and y are two terms. Here x is directly proportional to y if x equal to ky. Here k is a constant. Here if we omit k, then this equal to will be converted to proportional sign, that is x proportional to y. This is called proportional sign, and it is said that x is directly proportional to y. Next is inverse proportional, that is we say x is inversely proportional to y when x equal to k by y and k is a constant. If we omit k, this equal to will be converted to proportional sign, and this will be written as x is inversely proportional to y. X is inversely proportional to y. This is the first part of ratio and proportion. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.